Hi everybody, it's Wendy from Cinnamon Sweet Shop. In this video, I'm going to discuss with you the uses of using cocoa butter in recipes. Now, this video is a prerequisite for my next video in which I will be using cocoa butter as an ingredient. Cocoa butter comes in a solid state. It's pretty hard. Unlike other butters that are more of a soft, smooth, creamy texture. It all starts with the Theobroma plant, which is more like a tree. And if you love chocolate, this should be your favorite plant because cocoa beans come from this plant. Cocoa beans make up 54% fat, which is called cocoa butter, and the remaining 46% is cocoa. Machinery presses ground cocoa beans, separating the butter from the powder. The powder is finely ground and sold in stores under the name unsweetened cocoa powder. Go to any store you could find it. Cocoa butter is found in both food and cosmetic products. A lot of moisturizers that you will find up in the cosmetic counter contain cocoa butter, such as Palmer's brand cocoa butter lotion. They also make a cocoa butter stick. It's about this big, and it says on there 100% cocoa butter with the sole purpose of moisturizing. In food, cocoa butter is mostly used to make chocolate bars, and the butter is the key ingredient that makes your chocolate smooth, fluid, and shiny. Other than for chocolate making, not a lot of recipes ask for cocoa butter, and here's why. Theobroma plants can only be grown in limited geographic areas under ripe conditions. So chocolate's considered a commodity, and economic factors such as supply and demand play a big role in the availability of it. For example, around Valentine's Day, there's more demand for the cocoa, but the supply remains the same. So the price tends to go up. Another factor is climate. Drought, flooding, extreme hot and cold temperatures can destroy a crop quickly, which will create less supply. It's hard to get hold of. Unless you live in one of those regions where they actually grow this plant, it's not widely available in your average store. Now, you can go into some specialty stores around that sell it, particularly health food stores, but it's very rare to find. And I can tell you where I live, and I live in a suburb of Philadelphia, I can't find any place that actually does sell it. Therefore, most of us here, including myself, have to buy it online or through mail order catalog. It's expensive. The cost of cocoa butter goes up and down. I've seen it for as low as $8 to $9 a pound, as high as $25 per pound. It's the most expensive ingredient I've ever used in baking, and because of that, I don't use it that often. If you buy it online, you have to also factor in the cost of shipping, unless you're a member of Amazon Prime or some other type of service like that. If you can't find it locally, I do have a link where you can find it online. Just check out the description box below. When buying and baking with cocoa butter, keep these tips in mind. Only buy cocoa butter that says it's food grade quality. Never ever buy that Palmer's stick that I had mentioned. It's found in the cosmetics section of most stores. It wasn't approved for use by the FDA. It's not food grade quality, and that's one of the reasons is because it's processed on equipment that other non-edible products were also processed on, and it's not sanitary as well. Cocoa butter has a very long shelf life, so if you think you'll be using a lot of it, it might be a good idea to stock up on it when you find it at a good deal, and then you can store it in the refrigerator for 2-3 years. Cocoa butter has a very low melting point. If you hold a small portion of it in a warm hand, you'll feel it begin to soften. So when melting it, be very careful. It should only take about 10 to 15 seconds to melt in a microwave oven. It can be used in place of butter for some baking recipes, but keep in mind that cocoa butter has a higher fat content than dairy butter, and you should use about 1/3 less cocoa butter than what the recipe calls for. In my next video, I will show you one of my favorite recipes using cocoa butter. It's called cocoa butter chocolate chip brownie cookies. Subscribe to this YouTube channel for upcoming videos and check out my website linked below in the description box. Also, Comment below and let me know if you've ever baked with cocoa butter, and feel free to share your recipe as well. I'll see you all in my next video.